Hey guys, here's a follow-up video on the parts for the 1969 Honda Z50, just to show the areas that really need some work done to it. I'll be media blasting the engine casing, painting the covers there. So far, I've cleaned a lot of these parts up in the vibratory tumbler to polish up. I've nickel plated the air filter housing. Engine cover really needs a lot of work. Gas tank. It's not bad shape, but it certainly needs to be stripped down. A few small dings filled in. Repainted the frame. Someone's did a really shit job of fixing up some cracks in the past. See there? They welded in some flat bar. Same with on this side here. They're very poor repair job. We got new tires in the basement already. Rims, they're rusted, but they'll clean up. Small dent there that will straighten out. Seat needs to be blasted and painted. I've got some new foot pegs for it. Proper kickstart. This one here looks like it's off of a Suzuki. Another shit job on fixing the foot pegs there, so I need to grind those welds out, do a better job of those. Was planning to get these fork tubes re-chromed, but they're a little beat up, and I'm not sure what chroming costs, but I ended up just buying a new set of fork tubes with the bushings and springs and dust covers and those caps there. I overlooked this damage there. I need to get some new reflectors. Those there aren't cheap, actually about 35 bucks a piece. I'll need 2 of those. I got a headlight that was missing, tail light that was missing too. The rims, again, they're repairable. Small dents, bends that need to be fixed up. And that's about it. A lot of work ahead of me.